Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa. Welcome to my channel Learn to Teach. Today in this video, I will be sharing a very nice, simple and colorful program on Scratch where you're gonna be using chicks and hen as your sprites, and there is a blue sky as a backdrop, and I'll quickly show you that what your program is actually going to do. So let's play with the green flag. So I hope you have understand the output. The hen and the chicks are moving and producing a sound, and it looks like that they are jumping a little. How we can do that? Let's begin from the scratch. Okay, for this you have to do these programs. There is a same program that will be applicable on all of these three sprites. So let's begin, and I'm deleting the sprites and let's start from the beginning. Okay, go here, choose a sprite, and then go down. You have to select chick. Let's find out chick. It's here. Add a chick, put it down here, and one thing you have to do is go to the costume. For chick, we have three costumes here. I don't want this third costume, so I will be deleting it. Now go to the code and let's code for the chick. Remember that you can have any backdrop. Just go to the choose backdrop option, and there are a lot of backdrop options you have. You can choose any one you like. I like the blue sky for this theme, so I'm choosing that one. Going back to the code section. Now let's do some coding here. First, you have to go to the motion block and choose the move 10 step option. Then I have to go to zoom in a little so that it will be visible that what we are using. This is a move 10 step block that helps your chick to move forward. You can see that. Then you have to scroll down a little in order to make your chick move up and down. I need a change y by 10 at the top and another change y by 10 down. One is to moving it up, but one needs to move it down. So to move it down, I need a minus with the number. And let's make it a little bigger, 20 and then minus 20. This will help your chick to move up and down, and it will move forward and then up and down. One more thing you need here is go to the control and then use a wait 1 second command in the middle of these commands. Why I'm doing this? So that you can see the movement slowly with a pause. Now let me just quickly play this for you. Look at this, how your chick is moving. Now I need your chick to say something. For that you have to first go to the looks block, and then you have to use this next costume command and attach it here, next costume. This will help your chick to change the costume from A to B. If it is A, the mouth is closed. If it's B, the mouth is open. So it means the chick must be saying something. I will just quickly press it to show you the result. One time the mouth is closed and one time the mouth is open. So the costume is changing in every run. Whenever the program runs, the costume changes. Next thing is the sound. Go to sound, start sound chirp, add this command down, and then this command will help your chick to produce the sound. I'm going to play it and see the result. Well done. Now one more thing is go to the control blocks and use the forever loop so that you don't need to press this piece of blocks again and again, and it is going to work itself forever. Look at this. Now I'm not pressing it again and again, and it keeps on moving because of this forever loop. Now let's stop it from here. One thing I need at the top is go to the event block and use this when green flag click block here. It means that when you will press the green flag, your program will run. Let's put the chick back in the first place and then play the program again. Click the green flag and let's see the output. Wow, you can see how the chick is moving, opening the mouth and producing a sound. Now I need to add one more chick doing the same thing. Go to choose a sprite, scroll down a little and add a chick again. This is another chick. We will put both together. One thing you have to do for chick 2 is you have to select chick 2, then go to the costume. Remember that we don't need the third costume, so we will delete it. Now go back to the code. In the code, I need the same instructions as this one. So we will just quickly select it. Control C is to copy, then go here and press Control V to paste. Now we will stop the program. We will put the chick back to the line and then we can play it again to see the changes. Both the chicks must be doing the same thing since I copy and paste the program. Copy, Control C, paste, Control V. Let's play. Here we go. The chicks are doing the same job together. Now I need the last thing, that is the hen thing. Go to choose a sprite, scroll down a little and then you can add a hen. Find out where there is hen and then we can put the hen at the back of the chicks, that is actually taking care of baby chicks. Now we have to do the same code for hen, but for hen, select it. First go to the costume and there is one costume where hen is just heading down. So we need to delete this one and then I just need these three costumes to work for me so that the hen will look moving. Go to the costumes. You can copy the same line of code. Control C to copy and then go to hen. In the same code block, write down press Control V from your keyboard and then it will be copied. Now stop the program, put the chick back, make the whole stage bigger and then run the program. That's it. This is how the result of the program is. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. I hope you're gonna try it at home. If you have any questions, you can comment below. Stay tuned, stay connected. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye-bye.